With the Galaxy S23 Ultra launch, Samsung made a major shift in the camera department of its flagships. It came with an upgraded main camera and packed a lot of computational smartness. Even the selfie camera saw an upgrade on that phone. However, the case will not be the same with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Well, that's what the latest report regarding the development of the Galaxy S24 series suggests. The report comes from Ice Universe, known to be credible and accurate with information, and it says that Samsung will stick with the same 200 megapixels camera for the next generation of its flagship phones. With the ISOCELL HP2 sensor, Samsung can only offer software improvements on the S24 Ultra. And let's not forget to mention that the phone will reportedly use the same 12 megapixels Sony IMX754 sensor for the telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and the 12 megapixels Sony IMX564 sensor for the ultrawide camera. The only sensor it is upgrading is the telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom. The company is said to use a slightly upgraded 12 megapixels Sony IMX754 Plus sensor for its longest optical zoom range. If this information is accurate, we can only see slight improvements in 10x zoom performance. The other camera quality improvements on the S24 Ultra could only come through software and processing improvements. No information has been revealed about the Galaxy S24 and the S24 Plus cameras. However, if the Ultra doesn't bring any significant camera improvement, the same might be true for the other two models in the lineup. But the previous report from Sammobile suggested that Samsung will utilize a new ISOCELL zoom sensor. While this report is a little contradicting, as it says that Ultra will still use a Sony sensor for telephoto, it does point in the same direction. Even so, the S23 Ultra is a great camera phone. So the lack of significant upgrades should not make the S24 Ultra unworthy of purchase. Still, nothing is confirmed before Samsung officially announces something. So treat this information with a grain of salt. So what are your thoughts about the same camera hardware on the upcoming S24 lineup from Samsung? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.